Today I'm going to be showing how to roll back a device driver update to a previous version within Windows 10. So as new device drivers are released to help fix functionality problems that might have been discovered previously, there can be a variety of issues caused by driver updates. And fortunately in Windows 10 it's pretty simple to roll back to previously installed drivers as long as it is needed for a corrected or a further updated driver to be released by the manufacturer. So this tutorial is going to be pretty straightforward here. So we're going to head over to our search menu and we're going to type in Device Manager, and it should be listed directly above the control panel. So you want to left click on that. Now you want to go underneath Display Adapters, and then you'll see whatever your display adapter is right underneath there. So basically you just want to double click on the adapter, then you want to go underneath the driver tab, and then left click on Rollback Driver. You will receive a message asking you to confirm if you are sure you would like to roll back to the previously installed driver software. Rolling back to older driver software may reduce the functionality or security of your device. If this does not resolve the issues you're having with your device, visit the manufacturer's website to determine if updated driver software is available. So Windows is far ahead on this. They realize why most people are rolling back driver updates. So just left click on yes here. And once you're done rolling back the driver update, you can click on close and you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.